Get away, bro.
He better do a burnout.
Huh?
This guy better do a burnout.
He should. Nice old. M220i, come on now. That was a fucking, oh, can you speak? Oh, come on, minivan, rip it. Rip the minivan.
Oh, actually, it's like a minivan, but then it just like starts whining and ripping.
No, have you seen the Hellcat swap minivan? I wish I could see that thing in person.
I feel like a elephant.
Oh no, it's just it's just a minivan body on top of a Hellcat frame.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You gotta get an exhaust on something like that.
Oh. Oh, look at this Cobra. Hell yeah.
I thought that was Matt. Matt's up on the hill. Matt's up on the hill. Oh, here comes our buddy.
Now you should like pull the e-brake on that shit, bro. Nuts. Now I just want to see a good ass burnout right here in front of my very eyes. I sure all my viewers would love that shit.
Tell him to come down the hill flying.
Like go.
Oh,
Oh, here he comes. Rip it, bro. Rip it. Oh, here comes the Red Bull car.
Here we go. Some downshifts.
Going nowhere, brother. Rip the Subi.
Hey, is Matt circling? Should be coming down here. I want him to come flying by. We should really rope this thing. We actually could. Snag tips Hellcat in the truck.
Bro, rip the Toyota, bro.
Oh, hey, boys, look at this one.
Oh, the wing! The wing! To the lights! Bro, they should race right there. Best race ever. Oh, here comes the Supra. Bro, rip the truck, man. What was that? Oh, here comes Golf. Get out the way, NPC cars. Damn. Now I want to see that thing come here full speed. Whip a burnout, man. I want to see a nice solid ass burnout. Holy shit. Bro, you should tell him to like, there's us doing like a drift through here.
He's
come right here and do it for first though. Not.
Dude, actually, this fucking flies out.
Bro, rip the Fiat. Come on, Gramps, rip the Fiat. Just that waving. At least some guys have some spirit with the NPC cars. I love that dude.
Dude, hey, next time when he comes that way, tell him to go as fast as you can. Tell him to get like 90 down the hill.
90, bruh.
Until that sheriff comes out here. Then he's fucked.
Just run.
Yeah. Tell him to just keep going. Tell him to just jump it right there and get on the highway.
Exactly. Right.